Friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make kitchen cleaner. It is a multi-purpose liquid. You can clean your kitchen stove or kitchen slab. You can clean your floor with this liquid, or you can clean anything like utensils, chimneys, etc. So it is very effective. You can clean anything. So it is a multi-purpose liquid. Friends, it is very easy to make kitchen cleaner. It is a mixing process. Anybody can make it. Friends, before starting the video, I will show you the raw materials which are required for this process, and then after showing the raw material, I will show you the practical video how to make kitchen cleaner. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity required for making kitchen cleaner. So friends, please watch my full video to understand it properly. Friends, now I am showing you the raw materials. See, this is water. You can take DM water or RO water, but please don't take tap water. This is liquid soap. You can take any liquid soap, or you can take dishwash liquid soap also. You can also make your own liquid soap. Many videos of liquid soap are also available in my channel. This is citric acid, easily available in the market. This is borax powder. It is easily available. See the texture. This is water-based fragrance, means perfume. You can take any perfume of your choice. This is color, water-based color. You can take any color of your choice. This is hydrogen peroxide. It is very important in this liquid. So friends, let's start the process. First, I am taking water and adding citric acid in it. Then mix it properly. Mixing is very important. Mix till all the particles of citric acid has been dissolved in water. See, after dissolving citric acid, I am adding borax. Again, mix it properly. Now, after dissolving borax, I am adding liquid soap. Again, mix it properly. Now I am adding perfume. Now I am adding color. Again, mix it properly. Now I am adding hydrogen peroxide. Then mix it properly for some time. See, your kitchen cleaner is ready. Friends, now I will show you how it works. So, I have taken a small quantity of kitchen cleaner in a sponge. Then rub it on the surface. I am cleaning my gas stove. This is my gas stove. Apply this kitchen cleaner on the gas stove. Rub it a little. Then wash the surface with water. After washing, wipe the surface with a fine cloth. Friends, I am holding camera in one hand and wiping the surface with other hand. So I am not able to show you properly, but you can see the difference. See, friends, now I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Water should be 245 ml. Liquid soap 30 ml. Citric acid 5 gram. Borax 10 gram. And hydrogen peroxide 10 ml. For color, you can add any color, pink, green, yellow, whichever you want, and the quantity of color depends on you. If you want darker shade, add more color, and if you want lighter shade, then add less color. Perfume 1 ml. If you want strong smell, then you can add more perfume, and if you want light smell, add less perfume. Friends, if you like my video, please press the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives, and also subscribe my channel. After subscribing, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon. After pressing, you will see 3 options. Please press all button, which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive the notification whenever I make a new video in future. So please press all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.